Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Toyota app not working, connectivity, login and update fix guide. Fix 1 is check internet connection. Connect your phone to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data network. Then open a website or another app to make sure the internet is working. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data if the Toyota app is not connecting. Second fix is restart the Toyota app. Close the Toyota app completely, then remove it from your recent app list. Reopen the app and check if it works. Third one is sign out and sign back in. Open the Toyota app and go to your account setting, then tap sign out. Sign back in with your Toyota account credentials, check if the issue is resolved. Fourth one is update the Toyota app. Open the Google Play Store or Apple App Store, then search for the Toyota app. Tap update if an update is available. Open the app and test it again. Fifth one is clear app cache. Open setting on your phone, then go to apps, then Toyota app. Tap storage and cache. Select clear cache, reopen the app. Thanks for watching.